Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to explain you how to calculate the profile amount quickly if you get the drawing like on your display. The first of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you in good condition and stay healthy. Okay, if you get the drawing like on display, there are not how much there is no notice but the profile. But if you want to calculate quickly how amount by press left on your mouse, for example here, and click find, we write BA2. You ensure that select entire drawing and find. So there will be a result 56 match form. So this is so quickly to find how much profile. And how about if you want to find another profile? Okay, for example, profile with code P5. You repeat again the command, click right on your mouse and press P4. Ensure that select entire drawing and checklist the list result and find. So there are P5 amount is 5 profile. So you should for example P5 there are 5 times 5 is 25. This is the format profile with code P5. Okay, maybe enough. Thank you very much for watching. See you, bye bye. Thank you.